Hello guys, how are you? Today I will talk about brand Ungating on Amazon, as Amazon is putting strict policies nowadays and you cannot sell any like every product or every niche. So you need to unlock some certain niches and categories and brands. So this is a service I will provide. There are three ways to do this. One, you can get letters from brands itself. Second, you can open wholesale accounts by submitting reselling application to brands, and then third, you can use authorized distributors. So first two options are very difficult to go, as there are certain KPIs which we need to meet to get those wholesale accounts. And the third, which I said, authorized distributor, means you cannot buy from any distributor, but you need to buy exact authorized distributors of that brand. So this is the service which I provide. I have a readily available list of our big distributors. I will use those to unlock your brand on Amazon. You just need to provide me the list of the brands which you want me to unlock it, and then this will be a new road or new category for you to work on. So I'm looking forward to work with you really soon. Have a great day. Bye.